Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Aaliyah and I am back for another video. If you are new, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you aren't new, like, subscribe, and comment. Turn on my post notifications bell so you never miss a new video. And today I will be playing with slime in my garage. Hinting there's tools all around, and I'm leaving the door open so it's kind of cold. I'm in my pajamas because it's the morning time. I'm in my pajamas. And I have a jacket on, and it's like so cold. Remy, I can't leave my dog alone. My mom asked me to bring him outside with me, bring him in the garage with me. So I opened this door. So okay, this is this weird slime that I wish it had clay in it because it's like jiggly, and I don't really like it. I like it, but I wish it was just thicker. So I keep adding borax to it, and I think I'm gonna add some cornstarch to it. Not this video, but maybe in the future, I will add cornstarch to it. Yeah, but now it's 2 days till Christmas, and I am very excited. We have presents under the tree, and I get 2 weeks off of school. I've been blabbering about this for so long. If you can't see the slime, it's very like droopy, and it's stretchy, but you have to like go slow with it. I guess that's how most slimes are when they're jiggly. But I don't really like it. It's very bubbly. I added some soap to it. It is extremely bubbly if you just let it sit for a while. And I think the cold weather has something to do with it because it's freezing over here. The cold weather might have something to do with it being like a little hard. But that's that slime. Here's my favorite clear slime I've made so far. It is a pink one. And it's stretchy. It has soap in it so that it can be bubblier. It's stretchy and very pretty. If you hear a dog barking, that's my neighbor's dog. I assume it's barking at my dog. Well, my dog doesn't really bark unless you're playing with him. He doesn't really bark. So yeah, so that's him. That's this slime. I will do some ASMR with it, and this is very unsatisfying ASMR, so hold on, let me see if I can. Do you see the blue slime? This thing? That's please ignore that. That's my other slime. But here's some ASMR with this one. This is more of a handheld slime, so it fits in your hand like a dog probably would. Not necessarily a dog, but like on a Lego piece or something. It's very handheld, and I think this is zoomed in. I don't like it. I'm trying to figure out a different setup. Oh, come on. There, that looks better. Now we'll do ASMR with my other one too. So let me just finish that, and let me do some container ASMR. And that's that slime. It's not hard, but it's pretty. I like it. And then here's this slime. It's not as dirty, so I'm just gonna take it out of its container. It's like super hard. It's freezing. The slime is cold and it's freezing outside, so probably has something to do with it. Remy! Sorry, I'm calling my dog. Come here, boy. I think the next video I do, which would be tomorrow's, is probably going to involve a just not slime video. It's probably just going to be a Remy video showing you, like, telling you all about him, and I will be in my garage again. Let me do a swirl and pop the swirl bubbles real quick, and then I will definitely move on because I have one more slime to show. Remy, come here. Come here, boy. What are you doing? What are you doing? I don't know if you know this, but slime has a scent because you use borax and it has toxins in it. So I play with it in my garage, and whenever I play with it, I make sure that the door's open so that it can air out all the smells because it's bad for dogs, I assume. So that's that slime. I just took my headphones off. My headphones are chilling, so that's this slime and this one. So I will move those both to the side, put a lid on this one, and ow, and blueberry buttercream, which is, it's hard. I need to add some water or like something to it. I used Mono Magic for this, and Mono Magic, not very soft. It's actually quite hard, Mono Magic, so that's why the slime isn't very stretchy. Or it is pretty stretchy. It makes amazing sounds. I'm being quiet so you can hear. Yeah, this one's also freezing cold. It's colder than this one, and so I need to bring like hot water out here. Ramies! I'm gonna add some hot water to this slime and some lotion, and hopefully it'll like be a little bit better. So, Remy! I'm going to go inside and fill. I'm going to fill this up with some hot water about to right here, and I'll show you. Remy, come here. Remy, come here, boy. We're going inside. Come here. Slow down, dude. Come on. Come on, Remy. Now. Come on, boy. I will film going inside and getting hot water. Come on, boy. And my garage, I'm going to come back out here, so for right now, I'll just close the door, so. Come here. Come here. Turn on the hot water. And this water just heat up for a second. Ooh, it's freezing. This stuff still doesn't come off my hands. Oh, it's still freezing cold. I need to go get a towel. No, one thing I'll show you. I'm going to get a towel that heats up. I'm going to grab a towel out of here. Whoops. So I got some hot water. Come here, Ram. Gone. So I got some hot water. And I will be, come on. Remy, come on, boy. So I got some hot water. And I'm going to open this door real quick.